everyone. This is a tutorial on the website for Greenville 4th grade. It is managed by Nina Copeland. Now if you look at this website, you can see that there are several areas that will help you with more information. For example, there's the home section, which is this page. It has helpful links, the Greenville website, Power School, that's where you can access your grades. There's the Think Central link for all of our math. And there is also 4th grade music activities, as well as some other things on there. There are several tutorials for parents to access to show how we do things. So there's the directions for accessing Google Drive. Sometimes students need to do some assignments on their Google Docs or Sheets or other things, and this is a direction tutorial on how to do that. There's a Power School how-to video tutorial just to show you how you can access their grades online. There is also a tutorial for directions for accessing math homework on Think Central. Now this is a paper that you can read, and it's a checklist in order of how to access things. There's also a video that I made on how to access Think Central. There's a Go Math Parent User Guide. There are several resources on that will help you, as well as a direction tutorial on how to access the ReadWorks website. There are spelling forms and other forms that you could access as well. Now, I've also created a tutorial for every single math lesson. So if you were to click on the Go Math Tutorials, you would just find the chapter that we are studying, and there is a tutorial on the homework section that if your child is still struggling with the concepts, they can watch this tutorial that I've created for every single math lesson in the Go Math book. Here in contact information, there's my email address as well as Mrs. Pugh's. ROAR is our reading program. Now this has all of the forms that you might need to access. So ROAR requirements are like the book reports that they need to read, all of the different categories that they need to read books from. There's a creative book report ideas, categories list, and then there are some actual book report forms that you could print off if you wanted to at home. Here I have dictated some of the readings from a book that we read called The War I Finally Won, and you can see here I have chapters 1 through 4 there. Okay, back up here. Here are some supplemental programs that if you wanted to look at, just to help your child with some more. These right here, let me write on here, these are more language arts based. They're reading challenges, and these are more math based right here. Okay, and then we go back up here. Ooh, hello. Okay. Okay, next, if you were to look at the science section, it has several of the helpful websites that we have in our science core. Now this is going to change a little bit in the year 2020 to 21, but I will update that as you see that as well, just because our core content areas have changed. Here's a section for Utah counties. This has every week our students do a county report on an assigned county. This is the rubric that you can see. The page if you wanted to access what they should be covering on their county report. And then there is also, let's go back. Okay, and now is the writing section. These are just some things that we do in writing. There's the informational writing rubric if they needed some help when they're writing an informational paper, narrative writing rubric, persuasive, and Utah Compose is a writing program that we write in to get some feedback on writing projects. So anyway, this is the website that is a great resource for you if you ever have any questions or need some extra help. This is a great way or source for you to do that. Again, if you ever needed help with contact information, it's all here. Pretty much everything is here. And if you find something that you'd like to be on this website, go ahead and contact me and we can get it put on if you think that would be helpful. Thank you so much for your time.